Hi viewers, in this video I will show you how to tie money plant and you can grow this money plant in water as indoor plant in your home. So many of us we don't know how to grow this plant as indoor plant, right? Today in this video I will show you how to grow money plant as indoor plant without using any kind of soil. By using water you can grow easily by making the small cuttings of those leaves, and you can grow in water. Okay, do watch complete video without missing, and without your support we are not anymore here to do any kind of videos. You are the one who support for us, and do subscribe our channel and do watch complete video without missing. Here I am showing you two pots. Each pots I planted the money plant at the same time. Now I will show you how to tie money plant. This is the card what you are seeing there. Each individual leaf that gives a new propagation of new plant. Okay, now I am showing you how to tie the money plant. See here, you should tie when the plants are growing naturally. That time only we should give any kind of support to grow as usual. If you did not give any kind of support, you could not see that the plant, they won't show the green smooth surface on the top side. Okay, when they're growing naturally, that time only we should give this support. Any kind of stick or any kind, whatever you want, that stick you will get wherever that who and all do carpenter. My brother is a carpenter, so that with him I brought a stick and I gave him support. Now I am tying this by using thread like that. Here you can see leaves, they are showing their face downside. If you don't want to show that leaves downside, means you should, when the leaves are growing, that time only we should give any kind of support so that it will grow naturally. It shows the smooth surface at this sky side. Okay, now I am tying by using thread. Here you can see somewhat yellowish color on the leaves. That indicates that it's a lack of sunlight. Okay, when the chlorophyll pigment that not performing well during the photosynthesis, it automatically turns to a yellowish in color. So that at least for that plant, the entire plant should gets the sun rays so that it can prepare its own food, so that we can't see yellowish in color. Okay, now tying the plant is completed. See, one more top also we should be tying, which I am tying here two sides. Why? Because the money plant is too tall, so that I am tying two sides. The cord of that plant to be rotated so that it grows naturally, and the smooth part of the leaves also shows towards the sky side. Okay, here you can't see the smooth surface at the right side. Due to rainy, I could not do any kind of support to that plant. Today I got in time, so that I'm doing. See here, I completed two plants also tying. To avoid the yellow color on the leaves, take aloe vera, squeeze that gel into water, spray the water all over the plant to avoid yellowish color on the plants. Now I will show you how to propagate this money plant by using water. Okay, see here, See here, one plant that consists of bushy leaves. Okay, here you could not see that much of bushy. What I am doing is I am doing here pruning. Okay, when we do pruning, that time it will grow bushy as much as possible. Okay, I am cutting the two cords of that money plant. Each, see here, I am taking off. Here you can see that to grow money plant in water, you need any kind of glass bottles that you will get when you buy Kisan or jam or ghee from the store. Okay, now I'll show you how to cut the leaves. Okay, you can see here, downside of each leaf you can see that some of the roots. Okay, that each leaf that propagates the new plant. Okay, we should cut like this, how like I'm showing you, like that you should cut. How much bushy you need, that much of leaves you can cut and you can put it in a bottle. Okay, see here that the cord of that money plant was too long, so that I'm cutting it off. I'm taking the small leaves only, that under that you should contain root. Without root it won't give a new plant at all. It's of no use to grow also. Okay, see here, stems and all I'm removing one side. I'm taking only the leaves. Okay, now we will collect. See here, I am collecting all the leaves one side. See, like this, collect it, and after that we should put that all leaves into the bottle. Okay, so that by using water it absorbs the water content. Using roots, it will give a new propagation of new plant. Change the water of that bottle weekly once, at least weekly once. See here, you can see small these particles will be there. We should throw it off, and we should take a new water, and we should take into this bottle and place the leaves into the bottle. Okay, it's already started raining also. I'm leaving as such and I'm coming back. Here you can see how cloudy it is. See, it's raining. I love to enjoy during rainy time. I used to come out. If you wanted to enjoy in rainy time, you can enjoy. It's a beautiful moment you will get in your life sometimes. Okay, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share to your friends and family members. Keep watching.